Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Let's take a look just at local updates for SUI USDT trading pair with my customer set, where maybe will be more than okay. Try open long position. First of all, now we trade under $1, and I think it's still not the best zone for long position. Why? Because most likely we will come back and test the buy line again on 12 time frame, and this block what we track since listing in May 2023. So imagine almost after the 3 years, we just come back to the same level, to the first zone of interest. Guys, if you don't know how to work with indentation accumulation pump model, if you want to know why this block market here and why it's relevant, why the next block is here also relevant, highly recommend you just go and check free tutorial how to work with this zone. And imagine after the 3 years, the price, because of market makers, because of algorithm of the bots, just come back again to this zone of interest. It doesn't mean I will buy SUI for a spot at this point. Maybe I will charge SUI only if we drop to 28 cents. Maybe I'm start looking at to some spot position, but now I'm just skip all altcoins for a spot, only futures trade. That's why it will be more than okay to try catch some trade at 71.50. So this is a zone buy line on the 12 time frame. This is what I would like to see in the next upcoming days, maybe the weeks. Daily time frame, guys, we already tested several times the fundamental value of this token. Of course, we can maybe not drop to this block, but if we not drop, you can try open long at this block, this 89.09. So at this current moment, it's a daily time frame buy line. So this one. But I rather skip because of geopolitics in the world. It's unstable. And anyway, at this area, I think it's more than okay. Try open long with the targets, where the targets, it's definitely test below the fundamental value on the weekly, test below the buy line on the weekly, take profit and exit line. For global targets, I still believe one day the SUI will hit the new all-time high. Now it's too early. That's why too early to talk about it. That's why let's focus on these zones, you know. And the last signal to sell was in January. After that, take profit signal buy. On 12 time frame, I wish to see one more retest of the buy line and test the first zone of interest. So this is it. And algo is crossing 840. Oh, in real time, it's triggered. So I added that alerts previously. So what I can say here, 17 is kind of big stop loss. That's why just in a moment, I recommend you just add alert for take profit buy line and track it when we will be around the buy line. After that, we need to count the stop loss. So you have to be ready, guys. From now, see the 20% drop this weekend or the next week. So just in case, guys. Take profit line on the 12 time frame $1.41 and the $1.59, it's exit line. All right, so we can close this one. And the 4 hour time frame here, guys, I recommend you to add alert. Take profit from the sales and track where we need to close all this local short position is going to be the trigger to start buy back the SUI. So this is it. And guys, I highly recommend you use this set because it's give you a lot of additional data, a lot of signals for trades. You can integrate in your trading strategy. Here's a neutral zone on ADZ. So this is not accumulation. So for me, it's no make sense to open long now. No accumulation on the 4 time frame on direction indicator, no accumulation on the direction on 12 time frame, neutral zone on 12 time frame, daily time frame. Also neutral zone. That's why I think we're gonna drop again and form not divergency, but a healthy correction to the 75 and the 59. So in this range, you can start looking some futures position with a stop loss, of course. Market mode, definitely there, just capitulation, disbelief. 12 time frame, some hopium. That's why for me it's not enough reason to open trade. Here was more than logical at capitulation. Try open futures, trade long. Now nothing. Is it okay to open short position? Maybe you can try it. Open here Stop loss should be over this high of February 25, so 8% with second leverage 16%, and the target is 20. So I'm not sure. Like 16 against 40, not a good one. Not what I'm looking for from the futures trades. Money power, we over the middle line, so it's not bullish one, guys. The 4 hours frame also no bullish signals. If I don't see any bullish signals, guys, I just better skip the talking. And I would like to double check the trading sessions. This one, the last indicator. Let's add it on a screen. This one. Wish to see the opens. Opens on a daily and weekly. So previous day high, previous day low. Hey, come on. It's not what I'm looking for. The settings, inputs, wish to see the monthly open, yearly open, weekly open. This is what I would like to see. So anyway, guys, sooner or later, we will come back and test the yearly open. It's $1.40. The $1.40, you saw it's around the take profit line on a 12-time frame, take profit indicator. So I wish to see this drop, sweep, grab liquidity. Everybody going to be in short position, and we will rebound to the yearly open. What happened will next is hard to say. Maybe we'll come back lower again to 37 and 28 by end of this summer. So this is more than real to see. Guys, write us in the comment what you think about a SUI. If you'd like to trade with my customer set and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me the DM. Don't forget Joe Matego Show. See you next time, guys.